Okay. See here, I'm starting the session. Listen. In the previous session, very clearly we discussed what is column level constraint, table level constraint. Very clearly we have seen practically. And after that, we discussed how to alter the constraints, how to add the constraint, drop the constraints. These things we have seen. So constraints chapter is over. Now see the next chapter. So chapter name is set operators. So most of the interviewers ask about set operators. So topic is important. Listen carefully. See, in school level, in the mathematics, you learn sets chapter. In school level, in the mathematics, sets chapter is there. You learn union, intersect. For example, if A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B set elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to find A union B now. A union B. A union B means what union will do? It, it combines A set elements and B set elements without duplicates. So what is A union B value now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Observe here. A set elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set elements also it is combining but without duplicates. Already 4, 5 given. So that's why again it is not giving 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 it is giving. So union means it combines A set elements and B set elements without duplicates. Maybe in the mathematics union all is not there. I don't know. But in our Oracle union all is there. Okay, if we use union all, okay, maybe in the mathematics it is available or not, I don't know. Okay, in Oracle union all is available. So if we use union all, it gives all elements from A set and B set. Okay, A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including duplicates. Including duplicates if we want, union all. Without duplicates if we want, union. Based on our requirement, we use them. Next, intersect. Intersect gives common elements. What are the common elements in the A set and B set? 4, 5. 4, 5. A minus B. A minus B means it gives all elements from A which are not in the B. Elements must be available in A only. Those should not be available in the B. What are A all elements? A all elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 4, 5 are available in the B also. So 4, 5 it will not give. Means it is giving specific elements of A. It's giving specific elements of A set. These are not available in the B set. These elements, 1, 2, 3 elements are specific elements of A set. These are not available in the B set. So to get specific elements, minus. And remember that A union B is equals to B union A. Both are same. A union all B is equals to B union all A. A intersect B is equals to B intersect A. So but A minus B is not equals to B minus A. A minus B means giving specific elements of A set. B minus A means it gives specific elements of B set. What are the specific elements of B set? 6, 7, 8 it gives. So these elements are available in B only. Those should not be available in the A. That's it. If you know these things, easily we can understand set operators. So in this example, A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B means union means it gives all elements from A set and B set without duplicates. Union all means it gives all elements from A set and B set including duplicates. Just it combines A set, B set elements here. Intersect means it gives common elements. Common elements are 4, 5. A minus B means it gives specific elements of A. Means those elements should be available in A only. Those should not be available in the B. You can understand like it gives all elements from first set without common elements. So B minus A means it gives specific elements of B. Means those should be available in the B only. They should not be available in the A. So to get specific elements minus. So now same concept. Instead of taking sets, in our oracle we take table. Table A, table B. So to combine the records, from both select queries result, we use these set operators. Always set operator will be applied between two select queries. So topic name is set operators. To use set operator syntax is, understand this. This is first select query. This is second select query. Always set operator will be applied between two select queries. Between these two select queries, we are applying the set operator. So this is the syntax we have to follow. So now what happens now? This select query gives some result to us. This select query gives some result. This select query gives some result. These both results will be combined. These both results will be combined by using this set operator. So set operator is used to combine the result of two select queries. Okay. So now this is first select query result. This is select query result. First select query result. This is second select query result. So this is first select query result. This is second select query result. In between those two, we are applying the set operator. So this set operator combines result of both select queries. If you use union, gives this first select query records and second select query records without duplicates. If you use union all, including duplicates, it gives. If you use intersect, it gives common records from the result of these two select queries. If you use minus, it gives specific records from first select query result. That's it. So the set operators are, so set operator is used to combine result of two select queries. So most of the interviewers ask about set operators. Do you know about set operators? Okay, so like this interviewers may ask. So what is the purpose of set operator? Set operator is used to combine result of two select queries. So to combine result of two select queries, we're using it. So Oracle SQL provides following set operators. So 4 set operators are there. The first one is union. Second one is union all. Third one is intersect. And fourth one is minus. So these are the 4 set operators. Union, union all, intersect, minus. You already know, much explanation is not required here. So union. What union gives? Okay, it gives all records. It combines two select query results without duplicates. So it combines result of two select queries. It combines result of two select queries, but it does not give duplicates. does not give duplicates. So union combines result of two select queries without duplicates. Union all. Okay, it also combines the result of two select queries, including duplicates. So it gives duplicates. If anyone is asking what is the difference between union, union all means union does not give duplicates. Union all gives duplicates. This is the difference. Next, intersect. You already know it gives common records from the result of two select queries. So it gives common records. It gives common records from result of two select queries. So this is first select query result. This is second select query result. So in this, if any common records are there, the record should be available in this first select query result and second select query result. That is common record. If any common record is there, that common record will be given here. To get common records, intersect. Next, minus gives specific records. It gives specific records. To get specific records from first select query result. So it gives specific records from first select query result. So those records should be available in first select query result only. Those should not be available in the second select query result. Those are the specific records. It gives specific records. So this is about set operators. These only I'm showing practically now with one example. Understand this example. Suppose, okay, one university wants to conduct sports to all colleges which comes under that university. Understand? One university wants to conduct sports to all colleges which comes under that university. So some students are participating in the cricket and some students are participating in football. Some students are participating in both sports. So university wants to conduct sports. So they want to maintain, university wants to maintain the students who are participating in cricket and the students who are participating in football. The students list they want to maintain. So first table is cricket. Student ID, student name. Okay, the students who are participating in football, those student details are maintained in the football table. So this 1001 student, A student, is playing cricket. 1002 B also participating in cricket. 1003 C student also participating in cricket. 5001 D student is participating in football. 1002 B student, 1002 B student is participating in cricket and football both. 5002 student, E student is participating in football only. So first these tables are not ready. Let me create these two tables first. Create table. What's the first table name? Cricket. Okay, two columns. SID number type, number of 4. Second column, S name, varchar 2 of 10. Bracket close, semicolon. Okay, so now in the same way, I want to create another table. Another table. This table structure also same, but table name is football. Two tables are created. Let me insert the records now. Insert into cricket values. Values. I'm inserting values like this. 1001 A. Let me insert two more records. 1002 B. Okay, 1003 C. Three records are inserted. To save this data, write commit. First table created. Next, second table records. So 5001, 5001 D. Next, 1002 B. common record. This is common record. Next, 5002, 5002E. Save this data. Come. Okay, so football. Table name is football. Okay, now tables are ready now. The questions are like this. The questions are display the students who are participating in cricket and football is the question. Okay, I don't want duplicates. So if we don't want duplicates, we have to use union. So I'm writing like this. Select star from student. Select star from cricket. Select star from cricket. Okay, union. Select star from football. So what is this first select query result now? First select query result is this one. First select query result is this one. This is first select query result. What is second select query result? This one. This is second select query result now. In between these two, we are applying which operator here? Union. So union combines this select query result and this select query result without duplicates. So what it gives in the result now? Okay, this first select query result and second select query result are combined here without duplicates. This is the result we get now. So this is first select query result. All students records it is selecting from the cricket table. These students are participating in cricket. This is result of second select query. These students are participating in the football. Because of we are using union, it is combining this result and this result without duplicates. This 1002B we are getting only once. Next question. Display the students who are participating in cricket and football, including duplicates I want. Suppose just to demonstrate union all, I am writing like this, including duplicates. Including duplicates we want. What we have right now? Select star from cricket. Union all. Select star from football. So what it gives? This is first select query result. This is first select query result. This is second select query result. This is second select query result. So this first select query result plus second select query result will be combined here, including duplicates. Observe here 1002 base for 2 times. So these are selected from first select query result. This is second select query result. Both are combined. So to combine the result of two select queries, we are using these set operators. Without duplicates if we want union, including duplicates if we want union. Now suppose the question is like this. Display the common students. Display the common students who are participating in. So display the students. Display the students who are participating in. Both cricket and football. Means common records is asking. Okay, so we have to use intersect now. So what we are writing? Select star from cricket. Intersect. Select star from football. Select star from football. So what happens here? This is the result of first select query. And this is the result of second select query. From these two select query results, it selects the common records. What are the common records in these two? 1002B. So this 1002B we get. Only common records we are getting. In first select query result and in second select query result, common record only 1002B. That is a common record. The common record selected because of intersect. So this student is participating in both cricket and football. Next. The question is like this. Display the students who are participating in cricket only. Who are participating in cricket only. Who are participating in cricket only. And those should not be participated in. Those should not be participated in football. Okay. So those should not be participated in football. Is a question. Display the students who are participating in cricket only we want. And those students should not be participated in the football. Means he is asking specific records of cricket. They are playing only cricket. They are not playing football. Okay. So to get specific records, we have to use minus. But from cricket, we want to get specific records. So write cricket query first. Order is important. In case of minus, order is important. So what we have to write here? Select star from cricket minus. Select star from football. Okay. So this is first select query result. This is first select query result. This is second select query result. These students are playing cricket. These students are playing football. So because of minus, it gives all records from the first select query. It gives all records from the first select query except common records. What is the common record here? 1002B. So it gives all records from the first select query result except common records. So these students are participating only in cricket and these two students are not participating in the football. Suppose the same question, little bit I'm changing. Suppose the question is like this. Display the students who are participating in football only. And those students should not be participated in cricket. So write football query first now. What we are writing here? Select star from football minus. Select star from cricket. So what is the result we get now? Observe this. This is the result of select star from football. These students are playing football only. And this is the result of select star from cricket. These students are playing cricket. These students are playing football. These students are playing cricket. This is first select query result. This is second select query result. Because of minus, it gives all records from the first select query result except common records. What is the common record? 1002B. So these are the specific records now. These students are playing only football. These students are not participating in the cricket. So to get specific records, minus. This is about set operators. Is it clear? Let me show this. First, let me create the tables. First, I am creating cricket table. Table created. Cricket table created. Insert some records here and save it. I'm inserting 3 records and save. Next, create football table. Create football table here. Football table created. Insert records and save it. Tables are ready now. Open and see the tables data. Select star from cricket. So these students are playing cricket. These students are participating in cricket and select star from football. These students are participating in football. 2 tables are ready now. This 1002B student is participating in both. is participating in cricket and football. So now I am using union operator. Observe now. Select star from cricket, union, select star from football. So what it gives now? Okay, from this select query result and this select query result will be combined without duplicates. Means it gives 1001, 1002, 1003, 5001, 5002. 1002 duplicate record will not be given. It combines this select query result and this select query result without duplicates. Observe now. These students are participating in cricket. These students are participating in football. 1002B participating in both. So it is giving only once. Without duplicates we are getting. No, including duplicates we want union also. See here. 1000. This is first select query result. This is second select query result. Both are combined. First select query result, second select query result. Both are combined, including duplicates. Next, intersect. I want to get who are participating in both cricket and football. Common records I want to get. So I'm using intersect. Select star from cricket, intersect, select star from football. What is the common record here? 1002B. Next, I want to get specific records from cricket table. So select star from cricket minus select star from football. Observe now, these students are participating in cricket only. These are not participating in the football. Specific records from cricket table it is giving. 1002B it is not giving because is participating in football also. Okay, these students are participating only in cricket and not participating in football. I want to get specific records from the football now. Select star from football minus select star from cricket. Observe now, these students are participating only in cricket, only in football, and not participating in cricket. So to get specific records, minus. So this union and union all both combines result of select queries, but union does not give duplicates. Union all gives duplicates. To get common records, intersect. To get specific records, minus. So like this, we can use set operators. Let me give one more example here. One more example I'm giving. Suppose 10th department in our EMP table, 10th department is there. 10th department is offering clerk job, manager job, okay, and president job. These are the job titles offered by 10th department. 20th department is offering, 20th department is offering clerk jobs, manager jobs, and analyst jobs. So these are the job titles offered by department number 20. These are the job titles offered by department number 10. Okay, now the question is like this. Display the job titles. Display the job titles offered by 10 and 20. Means these job titles plus these job titles we want to get without duplicates. So use union. Suppose the question is like this. Display the job titles offered by both department number 10 and 20. So offered by both, display the job titles offered by both department number 10 and 20. Common job titles. What are the common job titles? Clerk, manager. Clerk offered by 10th department. Manager is also offered by, sorry, clerk offered by 10 and 20 and manager also offered by 10 and 20. These are the common job titles. So display the common job titles offered by department number 10 and 20 means intersect. So display the job titles offered by 10 and 20 means this result plus this result we want to combine without duplicates, union. So display the job titles offered by department number 10 only. Offered by department number 10 only. Those should not be offered by, those should not be offered by 20. Means he's asking specific job titles from the department 10. Next, display the job titles offered by department number 20 only. And those should not be offered by, those should not be offered by 10. Now you tell me these queries. So display the job titles offered by 10 and 20. How to get department number 10 job titles? Select job from EMP where department number equals to 10. So we get 10th department job titles. This result we get. Okay. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 20. 20 means we get 20 department job titles now. So these job titles plus these job titles we want to combine now without duplicates. So which operator we are using? Union. So we get output as clerk, manager, president, analyst. So we get output as clerk, manager, president, analyst. So these are the job titles offered by 10 and 20. Now we want to get common job titles. So to get common job titles, just I'm copying this query. Which operator we have to use here? Intersect. Intersect. So what are the common job titles offered by 10 and 20 here? Clerk and manager. So we get clerk, manager. These two job titles are offered by both departments. Okay, next question. Display the job titles offered by 10th department only. So should not be offered by 20th department. So what we're writing here? Minus. So what it gives now? It gives all 10th department job titles. So minus means it gives all 10th department job titles except common job titles. What are the common job titles here? Clerk, manager. So we're getting specific job titles offered by 10. So we want to get specific job titles. So we want to get specific job titles offered by 20 now. Change the order now. So first we have to write department number 20. Then write department number 10. So it gives all job titles offered by 20 except common job titles. So these are the all job titles offered by 20. All job titles offered by 20 except common job titles. Common job titles are clerk, manager. So what we are giving? What it is giving? Analyst. So this is a specific job title offered by 20. To get all job titles offered by 10 and 20, union. These are the job titles offered by 10 and 20. To get common job titles, intersect. So these are the common job titles offered by 10 and 20. To get specific job titles offered by 10 only, it is offered by 10 only, not offered by 20. Okay, specific job title offered by 20 only, not offered by 10. Minus, but order is different. First 20, then 10. This one only I'm writing, observe here. See, select star from EMP where department number equals to 10. These are the, sorry, only select job here. So these are the job titles offered by 10th department. 10th department is offering manager, president, clerk. Okay, 20th department. 20th department is offering manager, clerk, analyst. Because of two analysts are there, 2 times it is giving. 2 clerks are there, 2 times it is giving. So manager, president, clerk, these are offered by 10th department. Clerk, manager, analyst, these are offered by 20th department. So now I'm writing like this. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 10. Union. Union. select job from EMP where department number equals to 20. Observe now. So it is giving all job titles offered by 10 and 20. Manager clerk, it is giving only one subject without duplicates. It is giving. No, including duplicates we want. Including duplicates we want. What we're writing? Union all. It is giving including duplicates. See, clerk many times. Okay, manager many times it is giving. So now we want to get common job titles offered by 10 and 20. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 10 intersect. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 20. What are the common job titles offered by 10 and 20? It is giving clerk manager. Next, specific job titles offered by 10. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 10 minus. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 20. Observe now, this job title offered by 10 only, not offered by 20. Specific job title of 10. Next, 20 I'm writing first, minus. Minus, select job from EMP where department number equals to 20 minus. Select job from EMP where department number equals to 10. Observe. This is specific job title of 20. This is offered by 20 only, not offered by 10. Like this, based on our requirement, we use them. So these are some suitable examples on set operators. This is about set operators. Suppose there is one table is there. EMP underscore India. Employee ID, employee name, salary, etc. These employees are working for India. These employees are working for India. These employees are working for India. So here another table is there. EMP underscore US. One multinational company maintaining like this. The employees who are working for India, they're maintaining in EMP underscore India. The employees working in US, they're maintaining in the EMP underscore US. So 5001 C salary. Okay. So or let me remove this. Just I'm maintaining only employee IDs and names. 5002 D. Okay. Now the question is like this. Display the employee records who are working for India and US. So display the employee records who are working for India and US. So these employee records plus these employee records we want to get. So this result plus this result we want to combine now. So what we are writing here? Select star from EMP underscore India. Union. Select star from EMP underscore US. So like this. In such type of situations, these set operators are useful. So it gives this result plus this result. So like this, we can use the set operators. Is it clear about set operators? Next, listen. Some interview questions I want to cover now. Interviewers may ask like this. What are the rules of set operators? This is one important interview question. Okay, are there any rules in the set operators? If rules are there, what are the rules of set operators? Like this, interviewers may ask. The first rule is, okay, number of columns in both select queries must be same. Number of columns in both select queries must be same. The rule. number of columns in both select queries must be same. Suppose I'm writing like this. Select SID, comma SName from cricket. Union. Select SID. Select SID from football. I'm writing. Now, what is the output of this one? What is the output it gives? Error it gives. Why it is giving error here? Because in the first select query, how many columns we are selecting? 2. In second select query, how many columns we are selecting? 1. Now it cannot combine the result now. The rule is that in both select queries, number of columns must be same. In first select query, 2 columns are there. In second select query, 1 column is there. It is not possible like this. Check here. Select SID, comma SName from cricket. Union. Select SID only. Select SID from football. Like this we are writing. So in first select query, 2 columns are there. In second select query, 1 column is there. The rule is that number of columns in both select queries must be same. In first select query, 2 columns are there means in second select query also we must take 2 columns. In first select query, 1 column is there means in second select query also we must select 1 column only. Number of columns must be same. But here number of columns are different here. Okay, here 2 columns are there. Here 1 column is there. That's why it is giving error. Okay, it is telling that query block has incorrect number of result columns. It is giving error. So the rule is that number of columns in both select queries must be same. First rule. Second rule is corresponding columns data types must be same. Corresponding columns data types must be same in both select queries. So corresponding columns data type must be same here. For example, I'm writing like this. Select SID, comma name from cricket. I'm writing. Union. Select SID, comma SName from football. I'm writing. Does it works now? Yes, it works. It gives all students who are participating in cricket and football without duplicates. It works perfectly. Because here SID which data type? Number type. SID which type? Number type. Corresponding columns data types are matching. And here SName varchar 2 type. Corresponding columns data types are matching. So it gives the result. But suppose I'm writing like this. SName, comma SID I'm writing. Now what's the output of this one? It gives error. Error we are getting. So we are getting error here. Why we are getting error? Because SID which data type? Number. SName which data type? Varchar 2. Corresponding columns data types are mismatching here. The rule is that corresponding columns data types must be same. So if it is selecting, we get like this. If it is selecting, suppose if it is selecting, okay, SID from cricket table. From cricket table, it is selecting SID. From football table, it is selecting the name. If data is like this, readability will become down now. Which one is SID and which one is, we cannot understand the data here. So that's why the rule is that these are the 2 important rules. Interviewers may ask like this: are there any rules are there in the set operators? If rules are there, what are those rules? First rule is that number of columns in both select queries must be same. Here first select query has 2 columns. Second select query has 1 column. Number of columns are mismatching, error. and corresponding columns data type must be same. Here SID number type, SNAME varchar 2 type, data types are mismatching, error. Is it clear? Next one. What are the differences between union and union all? What are the differences between union and union all? This is another interview question. You already know this. Does union give duplicates? No, it does not give duplicates. Okay, does union all give duplicates? Yes, it gives duplicates. This is the first difference. In union and union all, which one is faster? Union all is faster because union all blindly combines. Union all is faster. Why, sir? Because it blindly combines first select query result and second select query result. That's it. Union all blindly combines first select query result, second select query result. But what union will do? It combines first select query result and second select query result. Duplicates will be deleted. It checks for duplicates now. Union checks for duplicates. For this, it takes time. Union checks for duplicates. For this, it takes some time. But union all does not check for duplicates. Blindly, it combines both select query results. That's why union all is faster. Union is slower. These are the differences. This is another interview question. Okay, next. Some interviewers may ask like this. Just to test our knowledge on giants and set operators, what are the differences between giant and set operators or giant and union? Like this, they may ask. So, what are the differences between giant and set operators or giant and union? Like this, they may ask. So, the difference is okay, you already know about giants concept and you already know about union. So they may ask like this, what is the difference between giant and set operator or giant and union? This is one important interview question. So the answer is C. Listen. For example, this is EMP table data. Employee ID, employee name, department number. This is department table data. Department number, department name. I want to get all employee names and department names like this. So now what we're doing here, okay, from EMP table, we want to get ename column, and from department table, dname column we want to get. So for this, which concept we are using now? Which concept we have to use? Giant concept we are using. To retrieve data from multiple tables, we are using the concept giants. So it is combining the columns. Ename column of EMP table, dname column of department table, columns are combined here. So Jan combines the columns. Okay. Whereas, okay, this is cricket table. Okay. And this is football table. The students who are participating in cricket and football we want. So this is SID, S name. Here also SID, S name. Okay. So this student participating in cricket. This student, sorry, I'm sorry. This student is participating in football. So now, who are participating in cricket and football we want. So we want to get output like this 1001A, 5001C. Okay, what it is combining here? It is combining rows here. So union combines rows. Union combines rows. Union combines rows here. Whereas Jan combines columns. Jan combines columns. This is the difference. So Jan combines the columns. Union combines the rows. Here rows are combined. This cricket table rows and football table rows are combined here. Jan is combining columns. This EMP table column and department table column combined here. So to combine the columns, Jan's. To combine the rows, Union. Jan is for vertical merging. Columns are verticals. So vertical merging. Rows are horizontals. This is horizontal merging. So Jan combines the columns. Union combines the rows. Union combines the rows. Next. Jan is for vertical merging. Jan is for vertical merging. It is used for vertical merging. First point only we are writing. It's combining columns means vertical merging. Okay, union is combining rows means horizontal merging. It is used for horizontal merging. Horizontal merging. Next. Next difference is, see, observe here. This union will be applied on similar structures. This cricket table structure and football table structure is same. Cricket table structure and football table structure is same. So union is used on similar table structures. Union is used on similar structures. Whereas Jan is used on dissimilar structure. EMP table structure, department table structure are different. So it is applied on dissimilar structures. Jan is applied on dissimilar structures. Jan is applied on dissimilar structures. Union is applied on similar structures. That's it. These are the differences. If anyone is asking what are the differences between Jan and Union, you can tell this part. Jan combines columns. Union combines rows. Okay. In this example, from EMP table ename we want, department table dname we want, it is combining columns here. Here it is combining rows. So Union combines rows. Jan combines columns. Jan is for vertical merging. Union is for horizontal merging. Okay, Jan concept can be applied on dissimilar structures, but set operator is applied on similar structures. Structure must be same. That's it. So these are the differences between Jan and Union. This is about set operators. Set operators chapter is over. This is about tables database object. Tables database object is over. From the beginning of our course to till now what we learned, I'm giving overview here. Okay, SQL is very limited syllabus and very easy. All are 2-3 lines queries only, very easy. Limited syllabus. Whatever we learned from the beginning of our course to till now, on that I'm giving overview. When I ask the questions, please give the response and test your knowledge. Okay. So our course title is Oracle. What is Oracle? It is one relational database management software. Why we are using this software? To maintain the database. In which style? Table style. What table contains rows and columns? So now we want to work with this Oracle database. Means we want to work with this tables data. To work with tables data, we can use two languages. What are those two languages? SQL and PLSQL. Is SQL query language or programming language? query language. Is PLSQL query language or programming language? Programming language. Is SQL procedural language or non-procedural? Non-procedural. Non-procedural means no programs. Okay, non-procedural means no programs, no set of statements. Just we write queries here. So in SQL, by writing queries, we communicate with this Oracle database. In PLSQL, is PLSQL procedural language or non-procedural language? Procedural language. The name itself is giving the meaning. In PLSQL, PL stands for procedural language. So it is the procedural language means here we write programs here. So by writing programs, we communicate with this Oracle database. So in SQL language, by writing queries, we communicate with this Oracle database. In PLSQL, by writing programs, we communicate with this Oracle database. Okay. To write these queries, SQL provides some commands to us. SQL provides commands to us. First chapter, SQL commands will learn. How many categories, how many sub-languages are provided by SQL? 5. What are those? DDL, DRL, DML, TCL, DCL. So suppose DDL stands for data definition language. Which commands are comes under DDL commands? Create, alter, drop, flashback, purge, truncate, rename. Truncate and rename. So 7 DDL commands. DRL stands for data retrieval language. Only one command is there, select. DML stands for data manipulation language. Which commands are comes under DML commands? Insert, update, delete, insert all, and merge. Okay, next TCL commands. What are the TCL commands? Commit, rollback, save point. Save point. Next DCL commands. What are the DCL commands? Grant and revoke. So these things we learn. So as a developer, we must know every command name, its purpose. We must know every command name, its purpose, its syntax, minimum one example. Okay, you may be Java developer or Python developer or SQL developer. You may be any developer. This is the minimum knowledge. You must have this knowledge. So next, after SQL commands, we learned built-in functions. Next, we learned built-in functions. So in the built-in functions, what we learned? Okay, different categories are there in the functions. So we learned string functions. Okay, next category. Okay, now let me ask some simple questions here. You give the response. Okay, so I want to create a new table. I want to create a new table. To create the new table, which command we have to use? Create. So I want to create one new table like this, employee ID, employee name. So to create new table like this, which command we use? Create. Okay, now in this table, I want to insert a new record like this. I want to insert a record. Which command we have to use? Insert command. Okay, now suppose I want to add a new column here. I want to add a new column salary. Salary, new column I want to add. To add the column, which command we have to use? Alter command. Okay, so now here salary value 6,000 is there. I want to increase 2,000 rupees salary. I want to modify the data now. To modify the data, which command we have to use? Update. So when we update the data, where it will update, in the instance or in the database? Instance. I want to save it now. Commit. No, I want to cancel it. Rollback. I want to set particular point for rollback. Save point. So assume that this employee resigned to his job. I want to delete this record. Delete. Okay. I want to delete all rows. I want to delete all rows with good performance. Truncate. I want to rename this column. Alter. To rename the column, alter. I want to rename the table. Rename. Okay. I want to drop the column. alter, alter. To drop the column, alter. I want to drop entire table, drop. When we drop the table, where it will go? Recycle bin. From the recycle bin, I want to restore, flashback. No, from recycle bin also I want to delete, purge. So one table data, I want to copy to multiple tables, insert all. Okay, I want to apply one table changes to its replica. Next we learn built-in functions, string functions. I want to convert string to the lower case. I want to convert string to uppercase, upper function. I want to get every word starting letter capital in it can. Okay, I want to see, for example, here Raju string is there. For example, here Raju string is there. I want to fill stars at right side, rpad, rpad. I want to fill stars at left side, lpad. So to fill stars at left side, lpad. To fill stars at right side, rpad. Okay, next I want to remove. I want to remove this left side stars, L trim. I want to remove right side stars, R trim. I want to remove both side stars, trim. So trim functions useful. So L trim removes left side stars. To remove right side stars, R trim. And to remove both side stars, trim. Okay. Next, suppose here Raj Kumar string is there. Here Raj Kumar string is there. From this, I want to get this part of the string Uma. I want to extract part of the string Uma now. Which function we have to use? Substr. Now, I want to check, is this Uma substring existed in the string or not? In str. So to get part of the string, substr. To check substring existed in string or not, in str. So these are the important functions. Next we discuss about conversion functions. I want to convert string to date. I want to convert string to date. To date. I want to convert string to number. To number. To number. So I want to convert date to char. To char. I want to convert number to char. To char. So to char is very important to extract part of the date, like year, weekday, okay, quarter, month, date. To char is very important here. Okay, next we learned about aggregate functions. I want to find maximum salary. I want to find minimum salary. I want to find sum of salaries. I want to find number of records, count. I want to find average salary. Next we learned analytic functions. I want to apply ranks to the records and I want gaps between the ranking. I want gaps between the ranking. I want to apply ranks to records. I want gaps. I want gaps. Rank. I don't want gaps. Dense means no gaps. Dense means no gaps. I want gaps means rank. I don't want gaps means dense rank. I want to apply row numbers to records. Row number. These are the analytic functions we learn. Okay. Analytic functions can be also called as window functions. Okay. Aggregate functions can be also called as group functions. Okay. Next we learn number functions. I want to get round up value. In 123.678, I want to get round up value. Seal. No, I want to get round down value. Note. Okay. So I want to get up to 2 decimal places. Trunk. Okay. I want to consider average. If value is average or above average, I want to take upper value. Otherwise, I want to take lower value. To get round up value, seal. To get round down value, floor. I want to get up to 2 decimal places. Trunk. I want to consider average. If value is average or above average, I want to get upper value. Otherwise, I want to get lower value. Round function. This point I already covered. Round considers average. Trunk does not consider average. I want to get remainder value. 1. So these functions will learn. Okay, after that we'll learn date functions. I want to add months. I want to add months to particular date. I want to get today's date. I want to get today's date and current time. Sys timestamp. Okay, I want to get last date in the month. Last day. I want to find next Sunday date. Next day. Like this. Okay. And some other functions we learned, like I want to replace the nulls. I want to replace nulls and not nulls. I want to get current user name. Which function we have to use? User. User is the function. Show user is the command. User is the function. So user function we use. So this built-in functions we learn. So in the commands only we discuss about operators. Okay, it is providing operators like arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these are the arithmetic operators we learn. Next, it is providing relational operators. What are the relational operators? Okay, greater than, just a minute, less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and not equals to. For not equals to, we can use exclamation equals to symbol, or empty angular brackets, or caret equals to. Next, logical operators will learn and, or, not. Next, we learn special operators. Okay, what are the special operators? In, not in. In, not in. Between and, not between and. Okay, next, like, not like. Is null, is not null. In the subqueries, I covered any operator, all operator, exists operator. These are covered in the subqueries. Okay, next, today we'll learn set operators. Union, union all, intersect, minus. So these are the set operators. Next, we'll learn concatenation operator. Concatenation operator symbol is 2 pipes. So these are the operators. Very limited syllabus. Just commands are there, operators are there, functions are there. Okay, next we learn clauses. Clauses. What is the execution order of all clauses? First from will be executed. After from, where? Then group by. Then having. Then select. Then distinct. Select means select all only. Okay, then distinct. Then order by. Then offset. Then fetch. This is the execution order of all clauses. These clauses will learn. After that, we'll learn joins. To retrieve data from multiple tables, we are using them. What are the types of joins? Inner join. In the inner join, 2 types are there. What are those? Equijoin, non-equijoin. What is inner join? It gives matched records only. Inner join gives matched records only. What is equijoin? Based on equality condition, join operation will be performed here. Okay, based on equality condition, join operation will be performed. What is non-equijoin? Okay, based on other than equals to, based on other than equality condition, join operation will be performed. Next, outer joins. What is outer join? It gives matched records and unmatched records. Both can be given. In the outer join, 3 types are there. What are those? Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. What is left outer join? Matched records, unmatched from left table. It gives matched records, unmatched from left table. What is right outer join? Gives matched records and unmatched records from right table. What is full outer join? It gives matched records, unmatched records from left and right tables. So these outer joins we learned. Next, self join. Self join means what? A table will be joined to a table joined to itself here. If a table is joined to itself, that is self joined. Cross join means each record in one table, each record in one table joined with every record in another table, joined with every record, joined with every record in another table. So this joins will learn. After joins will learn set operators. Just a minute. Next, after this we learn subqueries. What is subquery? If a query written in another query, that is subquery. So in the subqueries, how many types are there? Two types. What are those? Non-correlated subquery, correlated subquery. What is non-correlated subquery? First inner query gets executed, then outer query gets executed. Inner query gets executed for one time only. Okay, inner query gets executed one time. Inner query gets executed only one time. Okay, what is correlated subquery? First outer query gets executed, then inner query gets executed here. Here inner query gets executed for multiple times. Inner query gets executed for multiple times here. So in the non-correlated subtypes are there. What are those? Single row subquery. What is single row subquery? Subquery returns one row. Subquery returns one row. What is multi-row subquery? Subquery returns multiple rows. Subquery returns multiple rows here. What is inline view? In from class we write. Okay, writing subquery. We write subquery. We write subquery in from. Okay, what is scalar subquery? We write subquery in select. We write subquery in select. That's it. The subqueries we learn next. Recently we finished. Yesterday we finished constraints topic. Constraints. Okay, constraints we learn. What are the constraints provided by Oracle SQL? First one is primary key. What is primary key? Okay, does not accept duplicates and nulls. Does not accept duplicates and nulls. Next one is not null. What is not null? Does not accept nulls. What is unique? Does not accept duplicates. Okay, next one is check. Why we are using check? To apply our own condition. To apply our own condition, check. Okay, next default. To apply default value. To apply default value to column, we are using it. Next one is references. References can be also called as foreign key. Foreign key accepts primary key values of another table. Primary key values of another table. That's it. So these constraints we learn. After that, today we learn set operators. I have written in the list in the operators only. So this is a very limited syllabus. Observe here, SQL means commands, okay, functions, okay, operators, okay, next classes, okay, giants, subqueries, constraints. That's it. This is very limited syllabus. So this is overview on SQL. From the beginning of our course to till now, what we learn means these six only. After completion of class, I upload these notes in the Google Classroom. Please download this file and keep with you. And maybe till Saturday, I uploaded one notes. Please keep that file with you. Whatever the notes I uploaded till Saturday, please keep that file with you. From Monday onwards, I uploaded new file. Okay, that file also keep with you. These two files are containing SQL tables database object complete notes. For PLSQL, I upload separate file. For PLSQL, I upload separate file. Now we are discussing about PLSQL. So just I give introduction on PLSQL. After that, I stop the session. So now You already know that. What is Oracle? It is relational database management software. What is the purpose of Oracle? Is it to maintain database in the form of tables? So table contains rows and columns. So to communicate with this Oracle database, we can use two languages, SQL and PLSQL. So this point we already know. So this SQL and PLSQL are the languages. Those are used to communicate with this Oracle database. So to communicate with this Oracle database, we are using these two languages. Now we are learning about PLSQL. Let me write points regarding SQL and PLSQL both. So is SQL query language or programming language? Query language. So it is query language. SQL stands for structured query language. So the name itself is giving the meaning. It is a query language. It is a query language. PLSQL. In PLSQL, PL stands for procedural language. SQL means you already know. SQL stands for structured query language. So is it query language or programming language? It is programming language. It is programming language. Is SQL procedural language or non-procedural language? Non-procedural language. Non-procedural language means what? Will not write any set of statements. We will not write any set of statements or programs. Procedure means set of statements. Non-procedure means no set of statements. Procedure you can call it like program. Non-procedure means no programs. We will not write any set of statements here or programs. Just we write queries. Just we write queries here. Only we write queries in SQL. Okay, but whereas this PLSQL, the name itself is giving the meaning. It is procedural language. Means in this we develop the programs. We develop the programs. Why we are developing programs, sir? To communicate with Oracle database, we develop the programs. These programs are developed. These programs are developed to communicate with Oracle database. Okay, pay attention, listen carefully. Now you know very clearly that SQL is the query language, so we write queries here. PLSQL is the programming language, so we write programs here. So we are writing queries or programs to work with Oracle database only. Okay, next point, pay attention, listen carefully. You can understand like this. PLSQL is equals to SQL plus programming. So in PLSQL program, what contains, sir? Those SQL queries only, we write as the statements here. So this is one PLSQL program, suppose. Just a minute. Suppose this is one PLSQL program. I'm sorry. Okay. This is one PLSQL program. In the PLSQL program, what we do is we write SQL queries only as statements. So we write select query in this PLSQL program as one statement. And also you can use programming concepts like if control structure, for control structure like this. Okay. So the control structure is programming concept. Okay. The select is what? SQL concept. So to the SQL only they added what? Programming concepts. Okay. So we can write update query as statement in this program. We can write insert query as statement in this program. All SQL queries we can write as the statements in the PLSQL program. So to the SQL only, they added programming concepts. Remember that Oracle can understand only one language queries. If we want to talk with Oracle, we have to talk in the form of queries only. Oracle can understand only one language, queries only. Okay, in PLSQL also what we are reading, sir? Queries only. But extra, they added programming concepts. Oracle can understand only queries. So we want to communicate with Oracle database. So Oracle can understand only queries. So in the SQL, we are writing queries. In the PLSQL also, we are writing queries only. Because Oracle can understand only queries. Here also, we are writing queries only, but extra programming concepts are added. Okay, that query, if you want to execute based on condition, use if control structure. That query you want to execute repeatedly, use for loop or while loop, like that. So to the SQL only, they added some programming concepts. That language became PLSQL. So PLSQL is extension of SQL. PLSQL is equals to SQL plus programming. So you can understand like PLSQL is extension of SQL. So all SQL data types we can use in PLSQL. All SQL queries we can use in PLSQL. Okay, means you already know data types of PLSQL now. You know all data types of SQL we can use in the PLSQL. So you know data types of PLSQL now. All SQL queries we can write as statements in the PLSQL. So how to write the statements also you know now. Okay. So extra what they added here, programming concepts like control structures, exception handling, cursors. So that little bit programming we have to learn. So PLSQL is extension of SQL. That's it. So what are the advantages we are getting with this PLSQL? SQL language is there. Okay, then why PLSQL? Okay, before this, let me write one point. All SQL queries can be written as statements, PLSQL program. All SQL queries only we write as statements in the PLSQL program. Okay. So it is extension of SQL. What are the advantages we are getting? First advantage is PLSQL improves the performance. Performance will be improved with PLSQL program. The first advantage we get. Second advantage is it provides control structures. Based on conditions, we can perform the actions. It provides conditional control structures. If condition true, do update action. If condition false, do delete action. If condition true, commit. If condition false, roll back. Like that, based on the conditions, we can perform actions. So we can write like this. If so and so condition, then else, end if, like this. Just like Java is providing if else, or PLSQL is also providing if else. Write like this. If this condition is true, update. No, this condition is false, delete. Okay. If condition is true, I want to save it, commit. Condition is false, I want to cancel it, roll back, like this. Based on the conditions, we can perform the actions. Okay. This is not possible in the SQL. Okay, because SQL is not programming language. SQL is not providing control structures. PLSQL provides control structures. PLSQL provides looping control structures. Same action, if you want to perform repeatedly, we can use the loops here. Loops are there. Okay, but there no loops. Here loops are there. SQL is not programming language, so that is not providing any looping control structures. PLSQL provides them. It provides exception handling. How to handle runtime errors. So it can handle runtime errors. Okay. Next, it provides reusability. We can define the code in the procedures and functions. With that, reusability feature will be there. Like this. I want to find maximum salary. To find maximum salary, what we're writing? Set max of salary from EMP. This max function defined in the 1980s. In the 1980s, they defined max function. From 1980s to till now, like you, like me, many developers call this function reusability. Okay, where job equals to manager. In the manager's maximum self is finding. Max function defined for how many times? One time. But you can use it for any number of times by calling. Max is a function. Function is providing reusability. Like max function, if you want to define your own function, you can define. Okay, I want to check the balance. I want to check the balance. So I can define my own function, check balance. In which account balance you want to check? Like this. So this check balance is my own function. Like max function, I'm defining my own function, check balance. So like this, we can define our own functions. In the future, whenever our requirement is checking balance, we call that function reusability. So PLSQL provides reusability. We can define procedures and functions. Reusability will be there. It provides security, like SQL is having security. It is also having security. Only authorized people can call our procedures and functions. Permission is required. If they want to call our procedures or functions, permission is required. Security. PLSQL provides security. So like this, and it reduces length of code. This because of procedures and functions, that is reducing length of code. Okay, better maintenance will be there. So etc. These are the advantages we're getting with PLSQL. So in SQL, we can write queries. Then why PLSQL? Like this, if anyone is asking, you can tell these points. PLSQL is providing control structures. Based on conditions, you can perform actions. It is providing looping control structures. You can perform same action repeatedly by using loop. It is providing exception handling. You can handle runtime errors. Okay, it is providing procedures and functions. We can define our own procedures, our own functions. They provide reusability and it provides security. Okay, only authorized persons can call our procedures functions and it improves the performance. How it improves the performance? I talk this point. After that, I stop the session. Understand this point. How PLSQL improves the performance. See, this is server. Oracle database server. As you know, server contains two parts, instance and database. So this is instance and this one is the database. This one is the database. Instance stored in the RAM, database stored in the hard disk. You already know this. Suppose I want to perform one transaction. Assume that to perform the transaction, every transaction is series of actions. You already know this. To perform one transaction, I want to submit one insert command, one update command, and one delete command. This is my requirement. If I use SQL, what happens here is, if I use SQL here, first I submit insert command. To perform this transaction, first I submit insert command. First insert command will be submitted. Okay, just a minute. First insert command will be submitted to the Oracle. So it is performing insert action. So query means what? Request. So here we're requesting that please insert this record. So record will be inserted and server gives response to this requested client. So one request, one response happened here. Next, to perform this transaction, next action is update. So I'm submitting update command now. Again, one more request we are submitting. One more response server is giving. Next, transaction is not over. Next, we need to perform another action, delete. So I'm submitting delete command. So now this command submitted to the Oracle. Oracle is performing delete action. Oracle is performing delete action and giving response to the client. So now observe here, how many requests? 3 requests. How many responses? 3 responses. If number of requests and responses are increased, performance will be degraded. And sometimes immediately it will not perform processing. Sometimes we need to wait also. If server is busy, we need to wait also. So if we use PLSQL program, the advantage is we can group these SQL queries in one program. In the PLSQL program, insert statement I am writing. Insert is one statement in the program. Update statement I am writing in the program. Delete statement I am writing in the program. Now, here we are grouping all SQL queries in one program. So this one PLSQL program I am submitting to the server now. So now this one I am submitting to the server now. So how many requests we are submitting, sir? One request. One request we are submitting now. So one request, but how many actions will be performed in the server? 3 actions. And it is giving one response. Now number of requests and responses are reduced. Observe here. So PLSQL program reduces number of requests and responses. So automatically performance will be improved. So we can group SQL queries in one PLSQL program. It reduces number of requests and responses. So PLSQL program. So in PLSQL program, we can group SQL statements. We can group SQL statements. And we can submit this as one request. We can group SQL statements and we can submit this as one request. So this PLSQL program reduces number of requests and responses. PLSQL program reduces number of requests and responses. So it improves the performance. It improves the performance like this. PLSQL program improves the performance. Whatever the transaction is there, the transaction code we define in the program. So it will be submitted as one request, server gives one response. If you perform transactions by using SQL, number of requests and responses will be increased. Performance will be degraded. PLSQL program is reducing number of requests and responses. So performance will be improved. Is this point clear? Remaining in the individual chapters will learn. Control structures, separate chapter. Okay, exception handling, separate chapter. Procedures, functions, packages, triggers, separate chapters. They are providing reusability, security. So in the chapters, we learn all these things. So tomorrow we start PLSQL programming. Sessions are important. Please don't miss the classes. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Online students, if you have any doubts, type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Session is over. Mm. Mm. Already I have given that assignment, right? The notes it is there. We have to write like this. Where? Okay, function we have to use. So sub-str function we have to use. From the employee name, extract first character. Is it in AEIOU or not? We have to check. Okay. If all employee names are started with capitals, we write like this. So this condition true means what? Started with vowel. This condition, suppose I'm writing -1, comma 1 means last character. -1, comma 1 means last character. This condition true means what? Ended with vowel. This condition true means started with vowel. This condition true means ended with vowel. Both conditions should be satisfied and operate. Like this we write. Clear? Like it becomes complex. Okay. Online students, if you have any doubts, type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Session is over. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'm leaving the session. See you tomorrow.